Hello, hello. You guys, it is summer. It's finally summer and it's starting to feel like summer. I swear we had the longest, coldest spring in Idaho. I don't know how it's been other places. And the windiest, which I think, yeah, everywhere. It's just been windy and long and it's finally warm. And that means it's time for June's mystery box. Who's excited? Here's a sneak peek. Here's the box. If you have not got yours yet, you might want to pause this video, come back and join us after you've got yours because I don't want any spoilers. If you want spoilers, keep watching, but hopefully most of you have gotten your box so far and you've already seen what's inside, but should we dig in? Let's do it. Oh, let's also show you, let me get this open. Okay, and let's show you a few little projects as sneak peeks first. As always, Arilee Creative has made our cut files. They're fantastic. And she made too many and she just let us have all of them. And they're so dang cute. I couldn't narrow it down, so we just put all of them in. So you get a few extras. Okay, a little sneak peek of a sunshine pillow. A little gift for Father's Day maybe. Because it's summer and we will hopefully be outside playing in some water. Self-love club. Okay, and we cannot not do anything about 4th of July. There's that cute little popsicle pattern you guys saw on the sticker. And then I love this one. It's so cute. This senorita needs a margarita. Perfect in that silver glittery. Another 4th of July. We've got 4th of July shirts for the whole family. Arilee did such a good job. They're so cute. And of course, a little home decor for 4th of July. So fun. Okay, let's dig into this box. I showed you some sneak peeks of the projects and of the cut files and of some vinyl. Okay, here is the box when you first open it. So cute. We've got HTV on the top, and of course that chart. If you're new to the mystery boxes, that gives you everything you need. Cut files, heat settings, everything you need for the vinyl that is in the packet. So it's a great little thing to keep around with your mystery box if you're like me, and it's a little ways down the road and you're like, wait, what was in that box? It tells you everything. It tells you what it was, the pattern. On the adhesive one, it tells you if it was permanent or removable. Okay, so first up, this is my favorite. It's the Caesar Sparkle in Silver Sword. Caesar Sparkle is glittery, but it's a flat glitter. It's a smooth glitter. So it's not like the normal glitter that has a texture to it. This is smooth. So fun. Next up, Popsicles. Perfect for summer, perfect for some cute, fun t-shirts or whatever projects you can think of. And then we have Easy Weed in yellow, perfect summer color. And then Easy Weed in sky blue. And Easy Weed in bright red. And then my favorite one, Patriotic Ombre. This one is so fun. It's going to be so fun to make your 4th of July shirts or if you just need a red, white, and blue shirt. So cute. And a little secret about that one, I was trying to find some patriotic patterns or trying to make them and it just wasn't working out. And so I went to my son who's in high school and I'm like, hey, having a hard time. And he whipped that out in like 2 minutes and it's so cute. So thankful for him. Okay, here's the adhesive. Oh, you guys, what is this? Pool water? I love it. Perfect for summer. Okay, these are all the adhesive ones. This is a pattern. It is permanent adhesive, so great for cups and windows and anything you want to keep on there for a long time. Then we've got Orcal 651, also permanent in white. We have this fun lime tree green. So fun for summer. And then, oh, you guys, this one, it looks white. Hold on. Okay, now it's yellow. Ah! So this one is UV color changing. So if you put it out in the sunshine, it changes to yellow. And it gets really bright in the sun. You can see where I had my fingers, where the UV didn't get it and it's still white. This one is so much fun to play with. Stay tuned for our projects because I did a really fun sign with that. Okay, then we've got our Popsicles again in the adhesive. So cute. And then we've got a light blue, which is not, you think light blue and you think like a baby blue. This is not a baby blue. It's a light blue, like a sky blue. And then we have red. These are Oracal 651. And then we have glitter diamond. This is also a permanent adhesive. So fun. It goes great like to match up with that silver sword. And then another 4th of July pattern. 4th of July fireworks. So cute. That is a fun one. And then of course, 2 sheets of transfer tape. I hope you guys love this mystery box. Don't forget about the contest coming up. Don't forget about the projects. We'll have them all on the blog if you need some inspiration. And we would love to see what you guys make with this box. You guys, summer's upon us. I hope you get outside and enjoy it. And if you need some fun projects to do and some fun t-shirts, come back to your mystery box. And maybe you can do some crafting with the kids while they're out of school. Yeah, anyway, and also I want to do a quick congratulations to Arilee. She's expecting a baby any day. She's the gal that did our cut files. She's adorable, and I hope that she has so much fun with her new baby. Wish her congratulations for us too. See you guys.